Alright, so what's up guys, and welcome back at Two Face Over Matter. It is your girl Jay here, and in today's video I have a hair transformation. So today's video is in sponsorship with RPGSHOW. I have done plenty of reviews before, actually a lot of them, honestly, a whole bunch. We got another unit today and I'm really excited because I've seen pictures. They always send me pictures when it's done. So I'm really excited to put it on. I have not even unboxed her yet. I just took it out of the shipping pack. And here we are. I literally just got done doing my makeup, so if you see a little bit of white towards the outside of my eye, it's just the eyelash glue taking its good time. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this unit. I'm really gonna try and finesse this unit today simply because I kind of want to wear it for a couple of days. I don't want to have to keep taking it on and off because usually I do enough that day for it to look decent and then I just leave it. But today I'm gonna actually try. So of course they sent me 2 wig caps. And then the unit itself is in here. We got the little headband towards the back that helps it stay longer, and a magazine. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig cap just to get that out of the way. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I kind of want to just glue the front of the cap pretty much on my head. So I'm gonna take the Got To Be glue and just add a nice layer up top. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of people do this. I'm no professional, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace before I even apply it to my head. I just want this part to go ahead and be done. All right, let's put her on. Make sure she is centered, honey. Look at this. All right, so what I'm doing is going through and just kind of mashing her down. It's like every single time I get a new wig, it's always something better than the last one. It's so nice. All right, so right now I'm just kind of laying it down, letting it sit. That's why I didn't cut, all of the lace. So as you can see, I did a little bit of like a little swivel up here in the front. This is definitely just in time for fall, just in time for the cooler weather, just to have a nice, hair color. It's not too loud where it's like summertime and it's, it's not too dark. It gives you a little bit of flavor. It gives you something. This is so pretty. Like when you get your hair done, it's like you gotta make sure it look good from all angles with all types of makeup. It's like you gotta try on a couple of different lip colors to make sure it look good with everything. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Fenty gloss. They do have this flyaway tamer, but I'm not gonna put any in there because if you put a whole lot, it could make your hair stiff. So because it's new, I'm gonna just let it kind of be a little frizzy. I'm not gonna do too much to it. Pre-plucked, ready to go. Like, I have no complaints. This is so nice. What do you guys think? All right, so I think it's my glue. For some reason, my eyelash glue is not drying clear. Like, it's just white on the outside. This is 20 inches. 20 inches, so it comes past the breast area, 20 inches. This is so pretty. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of this unit. I'll have the details in the description bar of how to get it, of the exact one, but this is so pretty. Like I tell you, I know wigs are expensive, but man, these are so worth it. It's so soft. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. So as always, if you're new, I'm Jay. And if you're not new, I just thank you so much for supporting me with whatever I do here with my channel. I love each and every one of you to no end. And of course, until next time, God willing, I will definitely see you all in my next video. Mwah.